Let's look at this. We are asked to simplify this. Okay? The first thing we need to do is to check if they all have the same base. These two have the same base, different base. Okay? It means we solve this one differently, we solve these two differently. Okay? What is the meaning of this? It means, okay, you move this dot here, you put 1 0, move again. That is 4 over 100. So we're going to come here now to say 4 over 100 all over. This and this are the same. We take one of them. Because of this minus, we write 18 over 2. Then we put the 3 here. Now, as you can see in this place, 4 here is 1, 4 here is 25. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 9. That is equals to 1 over 25 all over. Okay? The next thing is to check how to make this 5, 5. That is 5, 5. I want 5 here. Can this guy produce 5? Let's see. Because I want 5 to carry 5. Let's see. That is to say 1 over 25. You agree with me? 25 means 5 times 5. That is 1 over how many? 1, 2. 5 raised to power 2. What is the meaning of this 1 over? In indices, it means minus. That is raised to power minus. This minus now is coming from here. Then we still put this 2. So now we have something with 5. So we come to this place now, I put that here. We use it to replace this 1 over 25. Okay? Then we come back here. We want here to be 3, 3, 3, 3. How can we bring this to have 3? 9 means 3 multiplied by 3. How many 3s? 2 3s. We put it here. It means, therefore, we can come here to say 3 raised to power 2. Okay? Now, we have 5 here. We have this here. We have this here. 1, 2. This cannot carry 2 things. Therefore, this guy need to come to this place. This one too need to come to this place. That is to say, minus 2 all over. Okay? So because of this, that is because they are the same, this is 1. This is also 1. Therefore, we have minus 2 over 2. This is 1. This is 1. That is minus 1. Therefore, we have minus 1 as our answer. Okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.